Welcome, and all. This is my YouTube channel. I am speaking Dr. Asif Nawaz Khan. In my today video, I will tell you about the some common thing which occur during this pandemic or COVID-19 with the COVID-19 patient. So this is a stress or depression. First of all, I will tell you about that this has major three types. So first, post traumatic stress which occur during the pandemic, and this post traumatic stress that are feeling almost all the people during the pandemic, and it is general, and the prevalence of this is 33%, and the second is the post traumatic stress in the COVID-19 patient, and the prevalence is 35%, and the third is the post-COVID stress, and the prevalence of this is 30%, and now I will tell you about what is the treatment strategy or drug of choice of these conditions. So the drug of choice for post-traumatic stress which are feeling generally all the people during this pandemic, that is so in this case what we are using, if the patient is feeling post-traumatic stress disorder, either depression or either panic disorder or either obsessive compulsive disorder. So in this case we have the different drug of choice. So first, post-traumatic stress disorder, the drug of choice is SSRI, serotonin receptor inhibitor, and paroxetine or sertraline. And for the depression, if the patient is feeling COVID-19 patient or post-COVID-19 patient feeling depression, then what we will give, the drug of choice is selective serotonin receptor inhibitor, selective norepinephrine receptor inhibitor, or atypical antidepressant or tricyclic antidepressant or MAOs inhibitor. And then we come to the panic disorder. If the person is feeling panic disorder, what we will do, then the drug of choice is simple selective serotonin receptor inhibitors. And in the condition when the patient is feeling obsessive compulsive disorder, then in this case tricyclic antidepressant, especially clomipramine, and selective serotonin receptor inhibitors, especially fluoxetine and fluvoxamine. So these are the drugs which are using in these conditions, and these are the drug of choice in these conditions. So again I will tell you that the post traumatic stress, one condition is general, the other condition is those post-traumatic stress which are feeling the COVID-19 patient, and the other is post-traumatic stress which are feeling after the COVID-19 infection. So in this case, if there is post-traumatic stress disorder or depression or panic disorder or obsessive compulsive disorder, so these are those drugs which are given in this condition. Thank you so much.